Alright, welcome back to the wonderful lesson for today. Today I want to show you how to create a Facebook page that sells. Not just a Facebook page, instead a Facebook page that will make you go viral. How do you create such a page? First, you need to create a normal Facebook page. Then, after creating the Facebook page, you will add your logo to that page. Not just the logo, but the logo should be catchy. Or if you don't have any logo, you can put, since you are working on comedy skits, then you want to make a funny photo of you. That funny photo is what you will put as the profile photo. Now we are just narrating it. Let's get started creating our page. Note, if you have a page for comedy skits, then you can follow me through and edit your page so that it will suit in a way whereby it will go viral. If you do not have a page at all, then follow me step by step on how to create a good Facebook page that will go viral. Alright, now let me show you how to create your page. To start with, you go to Facebook Lite, or if you have your normal big Facebook, you can use it, but me, I want to use Facebook Lite. Good. Now, I have this icon here, okay? So just click on it. Okay, so here are all my pages I have. But I want to create a new page. So I will click on create, this plus here. Good. Now, I'll go to get started. Page name. Page name, let me use Learn from Brox EJ. That will mark it. And click next. The category, you select your category as comedian. Good, as comedian. Then you click next. Alright? Do you have a website for this page? If you do not have a website, just click next. But if you do, add the website here. Alright, I will click next. Add images to this page. Yeah, if you have a logo, it's good for you to have your comedy logo, your skit logo. But if you do not have a logo, then you can take a funny photo of you, very funny, that if somebody sees just only the photo, they would like to follow you. Good. Now let's add a photo. Okay, you click on the plus sign here. Oh, good. Upload a photo. All right, let me just choose any photo of mine. Okay, let me say this one. And click done. Okay, let's see how the photo looks. You wait until it finished processing. Okay, although this one is not that funny, but yours should be funny. Should be very, very funny and catchy for people to follow you. Then you also add a banner. Add a banner image. All right, let me just add this one. Good. You click done. Congratulations, you've created your page. But we need the page to go viral. This is not the end of the creation. You cannot just create a page like this and start uploading videos. No, instead you need to work more on the page. Next, you go to create action button, this blue button here, you click on it. Then, should people send you messages, send WhatsApp messages, contact you, call you, send email? All right, let's say send message. Create. Good. Then next, we will need to add phone number. You add your phone number here, but the phone number may not be visible to the audience. Although you can, if you want them to contact you via call, you can make it visible. Then you go to settings here, this grid on top right. Good. General setting. Page visibility, you can see that it is published already. Good. Now everything here is set. Then you can set the messaging, notifications, WhatsApp page goes, people and other pages, and so on and so forth. All right. The next is more. Good. Edit page info if you want to edit the page info. Description, you want to describe what the page is all about. If it is all about funny, laugh, joke, you can say Brooks EJ comedy is super funny. It's one of the latest Nigeria most funny or funniest comedy skits. Or you can just be repeating one words. Like me now, I repeated funny. Just repeat it like 4 times. Or you can choose to use comedy skit. Then your description should get like 3 to 4 comedy skits inside, such that whenever somebody search through comedy skits, your own page will display. Okay? All right, that's the essence of the description. Then you add your location. City, you can choose, okay, let's say Port Harcourt. Or, no, I'm not from Port Harcourt. Let me say Sapele. Good. Then the street, the zip code, and the rest. All right, save changes. So that whenever they searched for comedians in Saple, yours will show. Then the activities, mentions, okay, template. Let's work on the templates. What kind of page are you opening? Is it just a standard business page, or you want to share your videos? You edit it here. Good. So you see now that your page is a video page designed to showcase video content on your page. So you click on it. Good. And apply template. Save. Okay. Now, here you have the page info, the tab, and all other things are all set. Good. So there's no need of editing this, but you can test run it later on your own. Okay. For now, we are done creating a page that will go viral. This page will go viral. But, oh, we have 2 notifications already. Okay. This page will go viral. But now, what else do we need to do for the page to go viral? You need to post. You need to do things to your post. What kind of post? When do you post? How do you post? Who do you share your post to? How do you get your target audience? All these things are what we will discuss in the next tutorial. So as I told you earlier, for you to get the next tutorial, subscribe to this channel. You will get the next tutorial.